If your Logic TV isn't turning on, the first steps involve power cycling, checking the remote, and considering a factory reset. Power cycling is the initial approach. Unplug the TV from the outlet for 1 to 2 minutes. This drains residual power, clearing minor glitches. Statistics show this fixes up to 70% of no power issues. Next, check the remote. Replace the batteries and ensure there are no obstructions blocking the IR signal. For smart models, repair the Bluetooth remote if necessary. A common issue is firmware glitches from infrequent updates. If these steps fail, a factory reset can restore the TV to its default state, but be aware that this will erase your custom settings and stored data. Hold the power button on the TV itself for 10 to 15 seconds while it's plugged in to access the service menu and initiate the reset. These steps should resolve most power issues with your Logic TV. When basic troubleshooting fails, the issue likely involves hardware faults. The power supply board is often the culprit, especially due to aging capacitors that lose their ability to store charge properly. Look for symptoms indicating deeper problems. If there's no LED light or the TV remains stuck in standby mode, it could point to blown fuses or faulty HDMI ports that prevent proper startup. While DIY repairs are possible for those comfortable with electronics, professional service typically costs between $100 and $200 to diagnose and replace faulty components. To understand these issues, consider the TV's architecture. The power supply converts incoming voltage to usable levels, while the main board handles the operating system and overall control. Industry trends show increasing use of smart TV diagnostic apps, which allow remote troubleshooting and can identify issues before they become major problems. Eco-friendly TV designs are reducing the need for frequent power cycling by using energy-efficient LEDs, which generate less heat and minimize heat-related failures. Looking ahead, trends toward OLED hybrids may eventually phase out older LCD logic models, making some current repairs less relevant for future purchases as technology advances.